Hey everyone, this is Ronnie at Third Story Threads, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these fun Tula Pink 1-inch webbing keychains. For all you bag makers out there, we know that you have leftover scraps, and this is a perfect scrapbuster idea. So as you can see, we have a ton of extra ones that we use for all the bags, and so today we're going to be doing one in the cotton candy colorway. So just a couple tools that you're going to need. So first you're going to need your 1-inch key fob hardware. You can get this on Amazon. Your crimper tool, they usually sell this in kits. Your rotary cutter, your fire source, lighter or aim and flame to actually melt the edges, and then your template. So you can, I have this template, but you can actually use like a fabric weight or anything like that just to get a nice curve. So first step, we're gonna go ahead and cut about 6 inches off of the webbing. Reason why we do that is because by the time that you add in the key fob hardware and the curve, it ends up being about 5 inches, which is a perfect size for your keys. So once you get your piece, then you're gonna go ahead and take your template, put it about 1 centimeter off the edge so that way you can get a nice curve. You're just looking to make something fun versus the straight line, but if you enjoy the straight line, you can leave it and you can still melt it. So as you can see, just a quick curve, and take your fire, melt the edge. So this is nylon, so it actually melts the plastic in there and makes it so that way it doesn't fray. So we got that. Then you're gonna go ahead and take your key fob hardware, put the crimping tool on there. So what I usually like to do is give it just a tiny squeeze so I can fit this in there since it's so thin. You stick it in there all the way, and then you line up your edges. You just crimp down. What I like to do is I like to come afterwards and hit each side just in case. And that's it. Keychain done. Thanks for tuning in.